you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Got another package for review. I believe this is a skateboard, and it's from WeSkate. It's a Chinese manufacturer that has an Amazon store. They want to get their name out into the US market. So, you know, I'm not much of a skater, but I know how. Let's check it out. You could always use another skateboard. I have a few. This is pretty long. Really lightweight too. Has a contoured, it's a contoured board, not completely flat. So it's curved, obviously here, so you can do ollies and stuff, flipping it around and all. I'm 54 years old this year, so I'm not going to be doing any of that. Also, it's contoured like this too, laterally. Nice wheels. With the bushing, poly something or other, bushing, the yellow thing. Let's unwrap this and I'll try it a little bit. So I've unwrapped the plastic that was around it. Look, they put the plastic on and then drilled everything on here. So that's kind of annoying, you know, it's not a big deal, but I mean, if you have OCD and you got plastic sticking out the sides here and you can't get it out, I mean, that's kind of annoying, right? Just telling you the truth. It's annoying. Look, got this plastic over here. You can't get it out unless you really pull on it. I just spent some time trying to get it out of these bolts here, the plastic. Also, if you look at the craftsmanship here, it's not really that good. I mean, you're going to be thrashing this anyway, and it's going to have scratches and stuff, but, you know, you buy something, you want it to be perfect, right? And there's a discoloration over here. So, you know, the quality control could be better. Hey, I'm just telling it like it is, guys. Always wear a helmet so you don't break your noggin. Also in the box is a carrying case with a strap. Would you really use this? Kids just pick it up and carry it. That's the whole point of it, you know? You shouldn't waste money making a bag for it. I mean, it's kind of cool, but nobody will ever use it. Here's a little tool here. It's got a hex key in here and a wrench. I mean, that's pretty cool if you want to take off the wheels, or they used to call them trucks. So that's it. I'll leave a link in the description for the WeSkate skateboard. Very lightweight, like I said, curved board, laterally and front and back. Nice wheels, rolls very well, turns very well, pretty solid. I like it. So I tried the bag. Are you gonna go through the trouble of putting the skateboard in the bag? And it doesn't even really do anything, does it? The wheels are still exposed. It's not really a bag. And look, it's pretty strong, but look how short the thing is. And you got no place to put your tool. If you had a pocket here to put the tool, now you still got to carry this in your pocket. So I don't know. I think that this carrying thing is a waste of money, you know, and it comes out easily too, and it's too short. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.